is Jen from Spokane Public Library. Today I'm going to share with you a few tips on how to stretch your food dollars and how to expand your pantry as well while you're at home looking for dinner ideas. One of the things that we can do is to stir fry hamburgers. Most people probably don't think of stir frying hamburgers, but in fact hamburger is one of the most versatile things to stir fry because you can use that as a base and add anything you want and have a very healthy meal and stretch your dollar that way as well. So let me show you what I'm doing here for dinner tonight. You take a pound of hamburger, and I'm using venison burger because that's what I have at home. So whatever you have at home, whether it's sausage meat or hamburger, you can use anything you want. Take 1 pound, and if you're cooking only for 2, you can use half a pound. So I'm going to use half of this, half a pound for the example here. Keep your heat at medium-high with 1 tablespoon of oil and plenty of garlic. In the time of flu and cold, it's very important to use a lot of garlic. Plus it tastes good and smells good. So round up your hamburger until it's about 2/3 done. And when it's about 2/3 done, this is when you get really creative. You can take tofu. If you happen to have tofu at home, you can take a pack of this tofu, cube it, and add it to the two-way done, almost 2/3 done hamburger. Okay. At the same time, you can add frozen peas, or if you don't have frozen peas at home, you can dice up some celery, you can dice up carrots, you can dice up peppers, onions, and add them to the mix. Stir fry it until it is done. Then add your spices. This is what I like to use, but you don't have to use exactly the same spice. Use your favorite spice or no spice at all if you prefer. Personally, I really like turmeric, so I always add a dab of turmeric to my mix. I season it with my favorite seasoning. I salt that with a pinch of salt. And there, it's done. Today I skipped my accessories, what I call the accessory, but it's actually, whatever you want to put in there, because I've already done the example here, and I'm just going to let you use your imagination and add whatever else you want. But when the hamburger is done, when your tofu is done, when your green peas is done, this whole thing is done, and see, it takes less than 5 minutes. And here is the end product. I use tofu, I use frozen peas, and the yellow color that you see comes from turmeric. And this is what's for dinner. A pack of hamburger, 1 pound of hamburger should be about $4 or $5, I don't know exactly. 1 pack of tofu here costs $1.48 at Winkle, and whatever vegetables you want. You should be able to feed a family of 4 with less than $10, and that is very healthy for you as well. Served over hot rice. Thank you.